So we on our way to the nail salon. Excuse me. We on our way to the nail salon. Don't pay my hair no mind. She on the phone right now. But it's like my birthday weekend, but it's not my birthday weekend. My birthday weekend gonna be next weekend. But we're going to the nail salon and get our nails done. And I just want to thank those that gave me money to help me get it done. I really appreciate it. So I'm on my way now to go get it done. Look at that glow. I am recording on my phone because I have a big camera and I don't want them to say, oh, you can't bring that in here. So it's just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I. You gonna finish it? Say it to YouTube.
What's up?
This is my first vlog, day 1. And we got a lot more vlogs coming. Especially with the weight loss journey. I told you about that, but I just gotta get a hang of it. I'm going to get a hang of it. It's just when, that's the question.
You gonna cut your sides too?
Yeah. Like, no matter how many times people come back, it's like they're always gonna be there. I'm shy. Mom, she mad. She don't want to be on camera. I don't want to look like I'm recording, so. But. I want to go watch the TV. Go watch the TV. She crazy.
Sometimes I just soak it and then just get some of the hard stuff off and then wait till I can come in.
I love you. I don't know. I didn't try.
Well, you need it? You need it?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Okay.
You make good money.
You say you do makeup?
You make good money.
Oh, you do?
But in the winter it's slow. It's slow. But in the summer and spring.
I know.
You can work with nails.
I don't keep them up anyway.
You can work with nails. Do your feet down.
Huh?
Do your feet
Oh,
down.
okay. I'm at the dryer station. So I tried to vlog the whole time, but I just be nervous, so I didn't do it. But yeah, these are my nails. I don't really like them too much. They look long, but then short at the same time. I don't know. My nails started bleeding. My ponytail's a mess. But yeah, y'all, so that's my little first vlog or whatever. It's gonna get better when I get more confidence, you know, but right now I'm gonna get my life. I probably can't even hear me. So I can get my trade, because I gotta go to school for eyelashes, eyebrow, like eyebrow microblading, tinting, waxing, stuff like that, and makeup. I said that already. And feet. I want to be like a masseuse and do feet pedicures. And she told me once I get my license to come up here and let her know so she can hire me. So you know, yeah, girl, like that. But yeah, I love feet. I love doing massages. I like making people feel good.
Huh?
This is my toes, y'all.
I was hoping she was seeing it.
It's lighter in person.
I was hoping she saw my, because I have ridges in my nails.
My eyes are so pretty.
You're so conceited.
So? It's not conceited, it's called having self-confidence. Get your words right. My eyes is beautiful. She mad because she can't look at herself and say, my eyes beautiful. But I understand. But anywho, so I just went to order me some food. Being bad. I just ordered me a salad and a water. Oh, you got it all on your hand.
Cause you bumped me.
No. No, she about to eat.
They're right.
I'm ready for my food. They look hard enough. Cause they were cooked in like 3 seconds. Probably still frozen in the middle. It's good. But yeah, y'all. So I know this is probably a boring ass vlog, but it's okay. I'm gonna get better. I just can't vlog in front of people because I'm nervous. Like, they probably like, who's she talking to? What's she doing? Is she recording me? Like, I don't want them thoughts going through my head that other people's thinking that, you know. So, turn this off. So today, we're going to be eating chicken. This is my ASMR. We're literally on the sidewalk. We're about to get the front of these motherfuckers. 5 stars. So now we in Walmart. Say hey for the vlog. Got her ass on camera. Anyone.
My kitty cat.
The Temptation. What is this pink?
Get the jumbo stuff.
What is this pink?
Yeah, that one. And the pink. Why are they looking at me? Like, oh my god. You better keep it moving because I got a boyfriend.
This big one is $3.14 and you only get 5.
I'm so glad I went on camera. I just fell. This a wireless one.
How much you
Look, Mom.
paying that money?
It's only $22.
22.
Save 65.
Dash cam.
You getting the clearance aisle. What are you doing?
Oh, mushy mushy.
Hey, you better get it. That'd be cute if you had like a newborn. Not a newborn, but you know.
That'll be coming right with
Yeah, baby, that's gonna crawl.
$1,000. It is $14.97.
And you interested? She got scared. They got me fucked up. Now I might get this now. Oh, let me zoom out. I ain't paying that much. What the? I definitely want to try this, so I'm gonna get this. Give me the makeup bag. Oh shit. See my fat self. Titties popping out. Child.
They could have got me something like that.
Mom, we get it.
$5.
We
from
understand.
5 children with a picture in it, and it would have made me just as happy.
We understand,
They
but
don't have to go buy
people
me
don't think about
thousands and thousands of dollars worth of shit.
Oh my God.
It's something simple.
Y'all don't know how this feel, but it's beautiful.
I mean, our feet though.
Mom, we could have got this. We could have got this.
How much?
I don't know. $39.
It's not bad.
I know. People on like YouTube and shit. Alright, let's get this, y'all. Cause we a YouTuber. We gotta put this in the car. We gotta put this laying up against our living room.
Yeah, we rich. We got
Look at my foo-foo. Hey YouTube. Okay, I'm supposed to have been at the mall at 2. It is 5:30 and my room is fucked up with a whole lot of makeup everywhere, toys everywhere, clothes everywhere. So much stuff everywhere. I'm waiting on my niece so we can go drop this off to my mom. She got to get in the car now. It's a vlog. Trying something new. Did they do it? That's $7. Well, I get on the road, so I'll get back up here when I get a chance. I'm supposed to be vlogging.
Well, you be.
And my makeup running. And I look dusty too. And my camera dusty. We all dusty. Oh my God. I just think. I still be vlogging for YouTube. I could just put this in for the yesterday vlog. These are the new newlyweds, Mrs. and Mrs. Daniels. Wait, that's your name? Okay. It's not. Is that your real last name? Thank you, thank you.
What did they say?
Nothing. Quarter.
That's it.
Obviously, get out your nose, you nasty hoe. Obviously. Oh, okay, leave me. Titanic. They're gonna miss each other for a day. They're gonna see each other Monday. I hate them all. This for little kids. I see. I can't believe you got that little dusty motherfucker in my and DM me.
What you talking about, Kenny?
Any little dusty ass was comment on all the pictures out of everyone. He was coming on one. I'm half naked. I thought you was a church boy.
Hey, Myra girl.
Talking about, oh, my
You're a
bad.
church boy, but you know how church boys do.
Well, he better church his ass back to church. Leave me the hell alone. I don't even remember where we parked. Please say you remember.
You got Dylan.
You want to walk him?
I'm walking off.
Why? There's two
Only one
people,
of you.
yeah.
We gonna walk you.
I can handle myself,
No, we
though.
gonna walk you though.
It's pretty boy JoJo, you feel me? It's pop. It's cracking.
That's a lot of walking.
Yeah, this is a lot of walking.
Oh my God, they got the big chest and stuff. We park right here. No, don't touch this car. This is my car, y'all. So, you ain't got your damn license. What is this for? Y'all going to prom together?
Take my mom to prom. Come in here and just sit still and be really get.
I still was watching it.
Nah, she left.
Yeah, go ahead and punch her in the face.
I'm gonna get you.
I give you permission. How you walk? How you supposed to model? Thick thighs, say lies. Woo! It is cool. It's a mother. Oh, y'all can go ahead and kiss. I'm gonna turn around. I wish I can get her butt, but I couldn't get it. Do like this. Alrighty, we're leaving the mall. You got the keys? Here's the car. Model walk. Model walk.